So an emerging trend that we're seeing these days is people who are using an internet-enabled business model that allows them to do three key things. One, they've outsourced their sales. It all comes in now through the internet, various web stores like Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce. Two, they've actually outsourced their manufacturing. So they get the demand through the internet, they turn around and have another manufacturer make it for them. To get it delivered to the customer, they're either sending it out to a third-party logistics company, sometimes called a 3PL, who then distributes it directly to the customer, or perhaps those 3PLs then will ship it to a distributor who then would ship it to a retail site to go to the customer. In all three of those cases, you have several overlapping challenges. It's a huge challenge, and yet it is quickly emerging as one of the most common business models. So this is a story that we hear many times, and people come to us looking for a solution. And I'll admit, the first few times I saw this, it was daunting. And it's taken us years of working with these various elements in the supply chain, learning how to deal with these problems. And at some point we sat down and said, you know what, everybody has the same problem. Rather than trying to start from a blank sheet of paper every time we solve this, let's create a methodology. Let's create a standard approach, a good starting point. Let's work with some partners and let's map out all the transactions, get them standardized, create a full offering that solves all the problems. And then as people come to us with their various challenges, we grab the subset of the master plan that best fits them, and then we bundle those up into a standard solution. Now, we've done this enough times that we've kind of walked the path of solving this many times. And we just wanted to make sure that all of our experience at solving that got put into a methodology that was reusable and that was also scalable.